how to buy on Trust Wallet, how to buy Bitcoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can buy on Trust Wallet, especially how you can buy Bitcoin. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to buy stuff on Trust Wallet, or maybe you want to buy Bitcoin, go ahead and then open the Trust Wallet application over here. Once you launch a Trust Wallet app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you want to make sure that you basically sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, what you want to do from here is you want to tap the buy option that you can find from the very top of the screen. And once you tap the buy option from the very top, you will see this type of interface. Now over here you can see cryptocurrencies that could be available, which could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and so on. So depending upon whatever else it is, you want to make sure to tap the BTC option that you will be able to find here. Just make sure to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and once you enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin or maybe any of the cryptocurrencies that you want to buy, you can tap on the buy with credit card or buy with Google Pay or Apple Pay, because there are many payment methods available, and then you'll be able to buy on Trust Wallet or Bitcoin more respectively. This way you should be able to buy on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.